saying bye bye. Bro! This guy is Josh. If you come here, he's going to be the one here.
I should sign my autograph or something.
You won't have a choice.
You don't have a choice. You're like trapped actually. You have to come through.
Had an amazing time here with this fellow, and I was supposed to stay for like just 2 nights. I ended up staying
but
like
3 nights actually.
4.
He's supposed to stay today also, but he's leaving us all. It's already dumping.
Have to move ahead.
Such a picture. Such a picture. Go, dude. Checkout time is over. 10 o'clock is over. Go.
Outside the property.
Go, dude. കടവഴ അവിടുന്ന് ഒരു 3.5 കിലോമീറ്റർ വലത്തോട്ട് പോകുമ്പോൾ ചുറ്റുമല ചുറ്റുമലയിൽ നിന്ന് വീണ്ടും വലത്തോട്ട് പോകണം.
So what is he saying?
So he's saying that we have to get to സ്ഥലത്തിന്റെ പേരെന്തായിരുന്നു ഇവിടുന്ന്
കടപുഴ 3 കിലോമീറ്റർ
and from there we have to turn right to get to Chittumala, and from there apparently there's like 7 kilometers or something to Munro Island. Total something 14 something kilometers.
Okay, and there is no boat there
No,
available?
apparently not.
No, not to cross, but we won't get to the island inside in the water. I think we'll go and find out
Yeah,
there.
go there and find out.
ठीक है. Alright, so done with Alapi, and I had an amazing time there. Met a couple of lovely people. So it was a little difficult to leave that place. And I didn't expect कि मैं इतने time तक वहाँ पे रुकूँगा, because my initial plan, as I told you guys, was for just 2 days. So today I'm going to Varkala, but there's just island on the way, Munro Island. So we took a little detour, and I have a company. So this is Nandana, and we met the day I arrived in Alapi. I think you came the same day.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay, we see.
Right. So we are just going to Varkala. She tagged along, and I was alone, so I was like, why not? But pehle abhi bhook lag rahi hai, so we've come to this place to eat something, and then we'll take a canoe and explore this island. Nice place to eat though.
Yeah.
Anything. Wow, man, this place looks better than Alapi actually.
right?
Yeah.
പദത്തിന് എന്താ അർത്ഥമെന്നോ?
Done with the food and यहाँ से भी हम लोग बोट ले सकते थे and they said it's gonna take approximately an hour and a half to go and come back. But there is a point from which we can see there's this art shape place, so we're going there right now, and from there we'll take a boat. So it's like, what time is it? 3:34. So it's 3:40 right now, and we're hoping to catch the sunset from here itself. So initial plan was to cover this place and then go to Jatayu Earth Center. It's close by, like an hour drive only, but I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and we'll just end the day here only. So we've come to this dock now and waiting for ferry. और actually वहाँ पे सामने मुझे शिकारत दिख रहे हैं बहुत सारे, but यहाँ पे एक भी नहीं है. So we are back at that same place where we had lunch because जो एक जगह है जहाँ से ये boats जाती हैं, that place till that point वहाँ पे the road was under construction, so we just couldn't drive till there. और वहाँ से 1 किलोमीटर का distance था. And hang on, I'll tell you rest of the things. So there is basically an arch-shaped sort of island. वो हमने भी देखा नहीं है, सिर्फ उसकी पिक्चर्स देखी हैं. So once we'll get there, I'll show you guys that. And उसके बीच में एक arch है, and there's like plants all over it. And then you can go inside via only a canoe because this is actually a big boat. But we'll just go around that and come back. It's gonna take a total of like 2 hours. So ये भी पहली बार ही हो रहा है. We've got the entire boat to ourselves. This is awesome. We can ask them to like hang on somewhere if you want. This place is so open and clear. The water here is very clear, unlike Alpi. I mean, that had its own charm, but ये सही है. और जो स्नैक बोट कंपटीशन होता है यहाँ पे, वो यहीं पर ही होता है क्योंकि काफ़ी लंबा स्ट्रेच है. Are we approaching the arch? Can you see the arch anywhere? No, not yet. तो वो आर्च पहुंचने में 1 घंटा लगेगा. 1 घंटा? हाँ. आर्च. So that is the arch. अभी इतना clear नहीं दिख रहा होगा, but we are getting closer. जितना पास जा सकते हैं उतना पास जाएंगे. So we could have come on a canoe as well, but then it would have taken a lot of time. So this is the arch here. और 1 2 3 है. तो ये जो रोड दिख रही है, इस रोड पे हम लोग आए थे, बट वहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही थी, सो उससे आगे हम आ नहीं पाए. बट वी सॉ दीज 3 cars स्टैंडिंग फ्रॉम द अदर साइड. एंड यहाँ से तो बहुत पास में है यार, बट इट्स ओके, आ गए कैसे तैसे करके. बट वी हैड टू पे फॉर दिस बोट. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग. And now it's actually time to head back because I think some restrictions that they have. ऐसे मुझे लगता नहीं इतना कुछ restriction है. There's still time, like 5:30 हो रहा होगा अभी. But we need to be back by 6:30. It didn't take more than half an hour from where we started. I wish I could spend some more time here, man.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? What are you thinking? Okay, I'll tell you what I'm thinking.
Okay.
Hang on. So how was your experience?
It was just so peaceful. Seriously, so peaceful, so beautiful. I can't believe I've never been here.
It got over too soon, man. This was one of the most amazing sunsets I've ever experienced. Matlab, I won't say the best, but it would always be among the best of list of mine. Done with today. Such an amazing day it was. I'm glad I didn't rush. और जटायु वर्ड सेंटर जाना था आज, जो कि अब मैं कल या परसों जाऊंगा. वैसे भी टाइम नहीं मिलता. एंड I'm not gonna shoot anything, just enjoy the drive back to Varkala, and I'll show you guys Varkala in the next vlog. So thank you for watching. Please share this video. And this place is very underrated, and there are less tourists, so it's still unexplored, and you can come here and have a good time. Take care. Bye bye.